I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open the Foodpanda app and go straight to your profile or wallet area. Once there, tap the Invite or Share option. This is where the only valid referral link is generated. Make sure the app is updated so the feature appears. When you see Share, choose Copy Link or Share Via. Copying is safer for controlled posting. Do this now so you have the exact referral URL in your clipboard before moving to where you want to send it. Now paste the link into the channel you picked: chat, social post, email, or direct message. You must paste the copied link. Typing it risks errors and broken referrals. Once pasted, add a concise description, what the recipient gets and how to redeem it. For example, mention first order discount or credits and any time limits. If posting publicly, check platform rules and shorten using built-in share only when allowed. Once sent, confirm the link. Finish by testing the link yourself or asking a friend to open it. Verification ensures referrals track correctly. If the link doesn't load or shows an error, go back to the app, regenerate the share link, and copy it again. Do not type. Make sure the recipient has the latest app or uses a compatible browser. If problems persist, capture a screenshot and contact Foodpanda support. Include your account details and timestamps so they can resolve tracking issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.